All right, we'll go back to the Last Ronin. Today's gonna be another one of the unnumbered pieces. This is the first of Fall Raphael. So this is actually when Raphael dies. Um, so let's get into it. All right, so that's Raphael. The arrow size. All right. So there's Raph, all bloodied up. So here are all the arrows that are used to kill Raph. They don't do the trick. End of the head. I'm probably switching out. His thighs. Stone dagger. The red arrow. I think this one goes through him. Then we got 6 hands. And all right. So Raph got shot pretty bad with the arrows, but the crazy thing is it didn't stop him. He was still fighting to the end. In fact, I would need to change his hands out because he must be able to hold the size to show that he's still fighting. So let's Raph at the side because he's still fighting. All right. Put this red arrow. Just went through him. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, and this leg was one. I think. His back cleavage was in his back. So the foot was trying their best to take out Raph. But the foot themselves couldn't get the job done. Karaya had to go, and even then she still struggled. Right. And this is one more. Where'd the last one go? I think it's one in the arm. Right. Okay, maybe not. Okay. I guess the one on the back. I guess for some reason further. I just didn't push him far because. But oh yeah, I can't go further. There's more room for them to go in. I don't want to break them. You know. Put this right there. Both rafts side by side. They started at night. Getting ready to fight. Karai and her soldiers, and so towards the end, after they shot up full of arrows. I mean, he was still fighting, like I said, up until the very end. But it's the same sculpt. They had the spots for the arrows. Not much is different there. Pretty cool. I mean, he added blood, obviously, to his arms and his face, legs. Like the hands have blood on too. Yeah, the hands are now bloody. As long as the wrist. So it's actually really cool. A really cool addition. Very sad to see. Like